Hey guys, this is Alex here with JS Detailing, and today we have this beautiful Ford GT that we had coming on Wednesday. The owner of this is getting a little bit done on everything for the vehicle. We were doing some custom PPF on the doors, the back rear fenders. We're doing some polishing on the vehicle, doing a ceramic coat, coating the wheel faces, all that good stuff. James back here is just wrapping up some of the custom PPF that we have been doing the last couple days, and when we're all finished up, just stay tuned and we'll see you guys then.
All right, so we are finished up with this Ford GT now. We had a little bit of a long weekend on it, but it's worth it when the finished product ends up looking like this. So this originally came in, it had existing PPF on the front end and the lower rockers. Customer asked me, hey, what do you recommend that we should cover, if anything extra? I said, well, you could do the just-in-case pieces. So I suggested maybe doing the doors and the rear quarters. He's like, okay, go for it. So got those wrapped up. Had to do some custom pieces for those as they were in our program, but they were a first edition cut. So the program pretty much says, hey, be wary of these. They might not fit right. So I was like, we'll just make our own pieces. Did that. I polished everything up front. The existing PPF, it's a little bit older, had some water spots, some light scratches, and it's not the self-healing stuff. So pulled as much gloss out of that as I could. Did anything that we didn't do film on or that didn't have any film, so like the roof, the top of the hatch and the rear bumper, that all got a full correction. And then of course ceramic coating for everything, interior detail, engine bay detail to wrap it up, and she looks amazing. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.